might get mistaken who you are. You know what I mean?
Yeah, just tell them I'm not against it.
No.
TP or?
Yeah.
I recognise that voice.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, mate.
What's your channel?
I've got a little channel. I've only got 7 subscribers at the moment. It's like mainly road videos and stuff.
Yeah.
Just kind of trying to build it up. It's difficult.
Yeah, it's hard, yeah. It's really saturated.
Yeah.
I'm just loud as fucking out. I get in trouble all the time, you know what I mean?
You calm down a bit though now.
Trying to,
Yeah.
Still have my moments, you know what I mean?
Yeah, you got it, haven't you? Yeah. Good to see you anyway, Jake.
Nice to see you. There's Billy. Is that Billy?
Yeah, Billy, man.
Oi, Billy. I'll tell you, Glasgow.